Here are some highlights of the August issue of Municipal Sewer and Water magazine. Brought to you by TRUVAC. Haul more, dig faster, and cut downtime with TRUVAC's 5-axle HXX Quint, this month's product spotlight. This heavy hitter packs a massive 25,000-pound payload and 1,200 gallons of water without losing a step. It's built to keep you digging all day, every day. Check it out at truvac.com and read more in the spotlight on page 32. Out of a small Iowa town, a former municipal operator and his son have built one of the Midwest's most trusted trenchless service companies. And they're doing it with grit, guts, and gear they sometimes invent themselves. From impossible sewer repairs under highways and railroads to a field-borne lighting tool now used nationwide, CIT Sewer Solutions is proving that the best solutions come from the crew that's been in the pipe. With billions invested and zero tolerance for the old bigger pipe mindset, KC Water is using AI, sensors, and green infrastructure to tackle sewer overflows head-on. Think bioswales, smart basins, real-time valve controls, all working to keep billions of gallons of rain under control and pipes flowing clean. Colorado Springs puts jet trucks and fish in kids' hands to spark early interest in water careers. It's messy, loud, and exactly what the industry needs. Confined space work can kill. One misstep, one blank line on a permit, and it's over. If you're blasting, inspecting, or repairing in tight spaces, your life depends on a properly filled-out permit. Here's why skipping it isn't worth the risk. Yesterday's pipe and drain approach won't cut it in today's flood-prone world. Here's how forward-thinking municipalities are upgrading stormwater strategy to protect infrastructure, water resources, and people. From 4K crawler cameras that double your footage speed to smart locators that pinpoint underground utilities with laser precision, these tools are built to boost your accuracy and cut downtime. Houston crushed their backlog and boosted inspection miles by 53%, all by ditching manual data and tapping AI-powered asset management. All this and more is in the latest issue, free for qualified readers. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading MSW. See you next month.